Hello everyone, welcome to Kakao's Hideout. I am Kakao Kunem. So for today's reading, we're going to do a Tagalog reading. This is a general reading, by the way. If it doesn't resonate, please do not take the message. So the question is, bakit siya bumabalik? Anong sadya niya? Okay, so pause if you need more time. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Anong sadya niya? Bakit siya bumabalik? Okay. For paid personal readings, check the description box below. I'm going to include my contact details there. Okay, now let's proceed to number 1. So, kay number 1, bumabalik siya kasi kailangan niya ng pera, nahihirapan siya, and he knows na you're actually in a financially stable position. Maybe this person used to belong to your group, pwedeng sa company, pwedeng pareho kayong investors, tapos kumalas siya, tapos ngayon nahihirapan siya, babalik siya para mangutang o para humingi ng financial na help. Pwede rin magbabarkada kayo, tapos kumalas siya, pwede rin may business kayo together, 3 kayo, tas kumalas siya. So, ngayon, nahihirapan siya, babalik siya. Now, what do you need to do about this? Don't be too toxic about this, especially if this is someone na tinolerate rin yung pagiging, gastador mo before. Pwedeng dati nung ikaw yung sakit ng ulo ng grupo, tinolerate ka rin niya, tinulungan ka rin niya before. Especially if yung supposedly parang for some reason I'm sensing na nagkamali lang siya talaga ng financial decision niya. This is not something na like winaldas niya or pinangsugal niya. No, I don't think so. I think ikaw yun, yung mawaldas. Pwedeng may bisyo ka na iniwan na mo na dati. Tapos isa siya sa tumulong para makabangon ka. Just give this person another chance. Tumalon talaga si 9 of Cups reverse. This is success sa second try. Pwedeng kailangan niya ng funds para may pagpatuloy niya yung negosyo niya o yung source of income niya. Or pwedeng gagawa siya ng panibagong source of income. And since 9 of Cups in reverse naman, there's a big possibility na maging progressive naman yung next niyang gagawin. Especially if meron na siyang i-reconsider na opportunity na parang dati hindi siya interested, parang ngayon susugalan na lang. So, there. Yun ang dahilan. Okay, number 1. Now, let's proceed kay number 2. Anong sadya niya? Bakit siya bumabalik? Babalik siya para magyabang. Na look at me. Look at me, I'm back. I did everything without you. King of Cups, maybe this is because nakikita ka niya na komportable ka on your own. Especially if this is someone who's very egotistic, fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Not necessarily, pero more like siya, parang gusto niya kung anong success mo, may credit siya or pwedeng gusto niya kasama mo siya. Pero maybe this time ikaw yung kumalas. Na parang maybe all of the decisions siya nasusunod kasi fire sign. Tapos maybe ikaw, energy mo is very water sign na parang go with the flow ka lang. Tapos whenever you do that go with the flow mindset, siguro kinukutsa ka niya na kaya walang nangyayari sa'yo kasi ganito, ganyan. But now, you can prove it to this person na tumalab yung tactic mo. Tapos, parang babalik siya in order to point it out to you na, tumalab nga, naging successful ka nga, pero mas successful ako. Yun, parang yabang lang talaga. But anyway, there's something about your connection together. If you notice, yung colors are orange, red, orange, red, orange, red, orange. Tapos, black, black. Yellow, yellow, yellow. So, parang there is something about the secrets that you know from each other na parang natatakot siya na baka i-disclose mo. Pero ikaw, wala ka namang ganong intensyon na i-disclose mo yung baho niya whatsoever. If you notice itong shadow nakadirect kay red-orange na hairs, kay red head. Siya yung may orange dito. This is intuitive reading ha. Baka may pumuna na naman na hindi yan yung meaning ng cards. Intuition to. Trigger lang sa akin yung visuals ng cards. But anyway, yun nga. If you notice itong shadow nakatutok sa kanya nakaharap. So maybe meron siyang secret na alam mo na parang kinakatakot niya na baka isiwalat mo, masisira reputation niya. Kasi Six of Wands is also about public reputation. Kaya in some cards, they are being depicted as the fame card. Kasi public figure ang Six of Wands. So baka yun natatakot siya na ma-disclose mo or isiwalat mo to get back to her or to him, whichever is applicable. Pero I'm not sensing na if you notice, siya lang yung nakatutok sa'yo, ikaw wala kang pake. Hindi ka nakatingin sa kanya, parang I'm chilling. And maybe you're a Pisces, I'm being drawn to the fish here. But anyway, what do you need to do about this? Coordinate well. If there's anyone na pwedeng mag-mediate between the both of you na don't worry about the secrets. I'm keeping it. I'm not going to do anything about it. 8 of Cups, pero it doesn't mean na I'm coordinating with you regarding whatever shadow is this. Babalik na ako sa'yo. Especially if ikaw mismo alam mo na very emotionally draining siya. And if you're going to do that, ang result, parang parang pareho kayong i-stalk ang isa't isa. Pero not necessarily na merong away, merong bangayan. I'm not seeing that. Two of Pentacles, may may doubt pa rin whether to na makipagbalikan or makipagbate. Pero parang both of you will be observing each other from afar, especially online. Pero wala pang decision, makikipagbati ba ako? Hindi. Pero yun lang naman. Okay? That's for you, number 2. Let's proceed, kay number 3. If you have chosen number 3, dali, namatay yung electric fan ko. Ang init. If you have chosen number 3, bumabalik siya kasi ang sadya niya is to actually bring down your confidence. Parang mataas yung standards mo about something. Maybe you have a decision you would like to pursue. Tapos, siya siguro, ready na siya to move forward. Gawin na natin, simulan na natin. Pero ikaw, hindi. That's not what I want. Hindi yan up to my standards. If you notice, binablock niya yung binibigay sa kanya na parang hindi yan yung gusto ko . Siya, ang energy niya sa'yo, ano bang problema? Parang bumabalik siya in order na apurahin ka about something. And since mataas yung standards mo, kaya nagdadalawang isip ka, there's a big possibility na babalik siya in order for him or her to point it out to you na yung standards mo, hindi yan dapat ang basehan. Parang kaninong standards ba yan? Bakit kailangan yan yung masunod? Parang ganun. Parang the main purpose is to actually, for you, to doubt yourself. Or to at least lower your standards kasi hindi niya nami-meet. Gusto niya madalian, ganun. So, if manliligaw to, parang, kailangan ba talaga na may trabaho? Parang ganun. Parang, ikaw nga, ka lang ganun. Kasi, ikaw nga, tindera ka nga lang, ganun. Tapos, ikaw naman, ang ang sagot mo, yan nga, tindera na nga lang ako, tas papatol pa ako sa walang trabaho. Parang ganun. So, scenario lang yan, pero if it fits, wear the gloves then. Anyway, what do you need to do about this? Stick to your guts. This is something na if nahanap mo, nakuha mo, it will fulfill you emotionally, and you just think it's fair na yun yung masunod, then go for it. Kung hindi niya kayang i-meet yung requirements mo, edi chupi, alis. And if you're going to do that, this person will reconsider other options. Bottom of the deck, you will be happy with someone who will actually meet your standards. Okay? So there. That's for you. Now, again, for paid personal readings, check the description box below. And yeah, that'll be all. Bye!